Welcome to the best picks. The best USB microscope is probably one of the most versatile and affordable tools for exploring the microscopic world, whether you're a student dissecting specimens, a hobbyist inspecting intricate details, or a professional conducting quality control. This device opens up a universe of possibilities right at your fingertips, offering high-resolution imaging and user-friendly software for seamless operation and analysis. It allows you to delve into the fascinating realm of the unseen, revealing intricate structures and details invisible to the naked eye. Number 5. Jiusion USB Digital Microscope. This innovative microscope brings the micro-world to your screen, perfect for exploration and detailed observation. It's easy to use and compatible with a wide range of devices. Experience incredible magnification power. See tiny details like never before with its adjustable zoom capabilities, from 40x to an impressive 1000x. It features 8 bright LED lights for optimal illumination. Adjust the brightness and focus with ease using the convenient control knobs. Record videos, capture screenshots, and even measure specimens using the included software. Document your discoveries with precision. It seamlessly connects to Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, and select Android devices. Explore the microscopic world on your preferred platform. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it ideal for students, engineers, and anyone curious about the microscopic world. Simply connect and start exploring. For Android users, ensure your device has OTG functionality. A free app can help you check for compatibility before purchase. Please note, this microscope is not compatible with iPhones or iPads. What we like. It boasts an impressive magnification range and bright LED illumination. If you need precise measurements and a stable viewing experience, this is the perfect choice. Its compatibility with various operating systems makes it versatile for different users. What people say. Image is clear and zoom can be adjusted with the dial for clarity. The built-in lamp is strong and adjustable, you get a sharp vivid image. The focus knob turns a little easier but is still smooth. Number 4. Skybasic Wireless Digital Microscope. It connects wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, and also connects to your computer via USB cable. Enjoy the flexibility of both options. 8 LED lights ensure you always have the perfect illumination for crisp, clear images. Capture details with ease. Taking pictures and videos is simple, just tap the button on your device or in the app. It's that easy. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for taking on trips or using anywhere. Explore the microscopic world on the go. It works seamlessly with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. User-friendly software is included for a smooth experience. Download the Mac app, turn on the microscope, connect to its Wi-Fi, and open the app to start exploring. It's user-friendly and intuitive. For Windows, use AMCAP, Win 7.8, or the built-in camera feature, Win 10. Mac users can use Photo Booth or QuickTime Player. Remember to disable your laptop's default camera. What we like. This microscope offers both wireless and USB connectivity for ultimate flexibility. If you value high-definition imaging across multiple devices, this model is for you. Its portability makes it ideal for on-the-go observations. What people say. It's very easy to use and connects easily to my iPhone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, as well as my fiancé's phone, which is an Android. Focus is simple, zoom works well, the lights provide sufficient backlighting and the focus is straightforward and easy to use. The ability to review the pictures in the app is a nice feature. It works best without the stand. I just put the clear lens up against whatever I'm looking at to keep the focus steady. Number 3. Wireless Digital Microscope. It's more than just a microscope, it's a powerful 2MP camera capturing 1080p HD videos and images for your smartphone and 720p for your computer. With 50x, 1000x magnification, it's perfect for everyday exploration. It seamlessly works with iPhones, Androids, and computers. Download the app for iOS, Android, Windows, or Mac OS and start exploring the microscopic world. 8 built-in LED lights provide adjustable brightness, ensuring clear images even in low-light conditions. No need for external lighting. A fully charged battery provides approximately 3 hours of continuous use, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. Take it on your nature hikes and discover the wonders around you. It's a great tool for curious minds of all ages. Perfect for parents, students, hobbyists, and anyone fascinated by the microscopic world. It's easy to connect via Wi-Fi or USB. For phones, download the app, connect to its Wi-Fi, and start exploring. For computers, simply plug it in via USB. Instructions are included in the user manual for all operating systems. You'll receive the microscope, USB cable, stand, base, user manual, and our 24-hour professional after-sales service. Start your microscopic journey today. What we like. With stunning 1080p video quality and a convenient rechargeable battery, it's perfect for capturing detailed images and videos. If you need a portable and versatile option for various devices and situations, this is a great choice. Its ease of use makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. The camera microscope works wonderful, as long as it is working. The quality is worth the money paid. Resolution of the pics looks better when live on screen than in the pics it takes. The zoom focus can be a little tight to turn, but does work well. It's great to be able to capture pictures or videos on a phone or tablet while examining the trichomes. Number 2. Elikliv EDM4 Digital Microscope. It boasts a 4.3-inch LCD screen with 720p HD. Enjoy clear, real-time images and videos, even in low light, thanks to 8 built-in LED lights. The large screen reduces eye strain. Zoom in and explore incredible details. It offers magnification from 50x to 1000x, letting you see the tiniest features. Note that actual magnification may vary. Easily connect it to your Windows PC or MacBook for a larger view. Share live images and easily save or organize your findings for later analysis. 8 adjustable LED lights provide optimal illumination. Get clear, detailed observations, even in low-light conditions, improving image quality significantly. It's perfect for various tasks. From inspecting circuit boards and coins to educational purposes, it's a versatile tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. The height-adjustable stand allows you to easily adjust the camera to object distance for optimal magnification. Find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. Enjoy cordless portability for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What we like. Its large LCD screen provides a comfortable viewing experience, eliminating eye strain. If you prioritize ease of use and a large, clear display, this is a great option. The ability to connect to a PC for larger-scale viewing makes it ideal for detailed analysis and sharing. Number 1. Plugable 2MP USB Microscope. It's easy to use and perfect for students and hobbyists. Uncover hidden details in everyday objects with its high magnification. It's convenient for laptop, tablet, or desktop use. Use it handheld or with the included flexible arm stand. It seamlessly works with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, iPad, Android, and Linux. Just plug it into a USB or USB-C port. It boasts 2.0 megapixels and 60x to 250x magnification. The adjustable LED light ensures optimal clarity. It lets you capture single images, time-lapse, and videos. Share your discoveries with ease. It's ideal for educational purposes, hobbies, and professionals. Discover a whole new world of detail. What we like. The flexible arm stand offers convenient positioning for various tasks. If you need a versatile microscope compatible with many devices and operating systems, this is a great choice. Its simple design and ease of use are perfect for hobbyists and students. What people say. Image quality is fantastic, it's easy to use, has great depth of field, and takes great pictures. The integrated light source is awesome too, very bright and adjustable so you can light up a surface and see defects and small details with high contrast. The Plugable software, Windows version is all I've used, which requires download, can be set to auto-adjust brightness, but it can be manually adjusted too. My application requires locking exposure and this microscope can do it. The scope is well built and very sturdy. 250x is plenty enough magnification for almost any application, I would think. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.